Hi guys, this is Akanksha and welcome to my channel Green Jeans. In this video, I'm going to talk about few items that contain plastics but may be hidden from you. Before I move on to the list, I want to say that going plastic free is not an overnight change. Changing a lifestyle that we have been living for our entire lives is not easy. And it is absolutely fine if you want to pick that one item that is most convenient or affordable to you and then gradually move on to others. Remember that we do not need just a handful of people doing everything perfectly, but we need millions and millions of people doing things even if they do it imperfectly. Enough of my gyan, moving on to my list. The first item in the list is a tea bag. A tea bag can contain about 25% plastic. But where exactly? There may be plastic in the material itself or in the sealing agent. Result, they may not completely decompose and are obviously bad for your health. A study showed that a tea bag releases around 12 billion microplastics and 3 billion nanoplastics. There are companies like Organic India whose products are available all over the world and who are claiming to have skipped the plastics from the tea bag. I have issues with the claim itself. Nonetheless, these claims are made for the product sold outside India. Please do not confuse that the same will be the case for the product sold in India. Alternatives. No points for guessing the first one. Skip the tea bags. Second, do not be sold on plastic neutral or organic claims. The companies may still be selling you products with plastics in them. And third, make your tea from loose tea leaves. You can go for tea strainers that you can use instead of these tea bags. The next one is known to some but ignored by almost all. Paper cups. We all think that they are fine to use, but they are not. Paper cups have a thin plastic lining that keeps the liquid from soiling the paper part of the cup. This gives rise to some health implications and environmental concerns as well. Recycling of the paper cups become an issue due to the plastic coating, and less than 1% of the cups are recycled. Outside of plastic use, there are other environmental issues as well, like cutting of trees. According to a 2014 estimate, nearly 3.5 million trees are cut each year in India alone. Alternatives. Bring your own cup to office, to takeaway counters, to non-official meetings, basically everywhere you can. You can keep a sipper in your car. There are some vendors like Starbucks that offer a discount for those who bring their own cup, helping you save money as well. Second, know that not all recyclable and biodegradable claims are authentic. Third, you can keep these foldable steel cups with you when traveling and ask the tea guy to pour for you in this. Last, also know about these cool and upcoming services like Cuppable. They are building a network to use the same cup over and over. They are only doing events for now. You can also check about some edible cups and keep those for big events. The third one, chewing gums. Chewing gums contain an ingredient called a gum base that basically gives the gum its chew and includes up to 46 different chemicals, including plastics. Unfortunately, there is no plant-based alternative available in India yet. The only option to get rid of it is to not use it. Fourth, glitter. Glitter is nothing but tiny beads of microplastics that has made its way from arts and crafts to skincare. Again, unfortunately, there is no alternative for glitter used in arts and crafts. The only way to get rid of it is to not use it. I would also recommend to not use the cosmetics with glitter in them. The last item on the list, wet wipes. Your wet wipes can contain plastics and fragrance ingredients that never fully biodegrade and only break down into microplastics. There are also health concerns associated with their usage. Wet wipes are mostly used for babies, which calls for extra caution. Here is a snippet from what Pampers published in 2018. Alternatives. Switch to cloth wipes. You can try these organic cloth wipes from Super Bottoms for your babies, and you can try reusable makeup remover pads. With that, I wrap up my list. If you know of some items that contain plastic but are not known to many, or some alternatives to the options I've already listed, then please comment or DM on Instagram. Please hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to share it with your friends and family. This is Green Jeans signing off.